Presentation of the system. The DI system consists of two elements working together: the starter strip and the fastening bar. Both components are made of a galvanized steel blend recognized for its durability in the field of construction. The starter strip is designed to receive the groove of the cladding all around a structure in an easy yet solid way. It also serves as leaning ground for the fastening bar. The starter strip is designed with perforations which allow water and moisture to escape. The fastening bar includes two components: the line holes and the hooks. Its unique shape allows for a 5 mm air cavity between the cladding and the structure. Line holes, like a ruler, will contribute to the overall alignment throughout the installation and even make you wonder how you ever did without. The hooks, an exclusive and patented innovation, allow you to quickly install the cladding with the simple push of a finger. That means no perforation or wearing out of the material, which is how the DI system provides increased durability. Required tools. Primary installation of the DI system is done with a pneumatic tool, able to deploy 51 mm galvanized steel, collated and coated, round-headed nails. You must ensure that the tool used is calibrated so the nails do not damage the metal of the DI system. Line holes and initial level. First, note the starter strip height and mark the level. Identify your mark and report this line to the end of the wall. Connect with a chalk line and repeat on each wall at the same level. You need to get started on a different level? Line holes will simplify the task. In this case, we've reported the lowest level by positioning the line holes on the chalk line drawn earlier. This way you maintain the level on the next wall, and all you need to do is draw a new benchmark using the bottom of the fastening bar. The two sections will be aligned perfectly. At this point, use only one nail to hold the bar in place while you continue to level up. In this case, because the level is interrupted by the door, we will use the line holes and the level from the top. Locate the line holes that are above the obstacle and report the line to the other end of the wall. Align a second fastening bar with the mark. Fasten it and report another guideline to the base of the bar. Repeat on each side of the obstacle and you will end up with a precisely level job from wall to wall. No need to verify the alignment, no matter how many levels. Anchor the starter strip and fastening bar. Place the starter strip below the level line and nail to the studs or furring strips of the structure. If need be, the starter strip can easily be shortened with a traditional aviation snip. To allow proper air circulation, nail it every 16 inches at the top and bottom of the strip. Installing the fastening bars requires only a visual alignment, and it is done in no time. Lean the bar on the starter strip in such a way that the semi-holes are both touching it. Nail to the wall in between each hook, making sure to hit a structural component. Check to see that the fastening bars are positioned correctly, the hook at the top of each opening. When reaching a section below a window, measure the necessary height and cut a fastening bar in several pieces using the line holes. To replicate a factory cut, you must cut in the center of the line holes. When ready, carry on leaning those pieces onto the starter strip. Concentrate on what is at arm's length. The rest can be done once the scaffolding is in place. Cut the cladding. Now, let's see how the DI system can save up to 40% of installation time. As the fastening bars are being attached to the wall, one worker can already get started on cutting the necessary material. Simply count the number of hooks to find out how many boards of a given length are needed, and off you go. Obstacles such as a window are in the way? The DI system allows you to foresee the irregular measurements even before a single board is in place. In other words, each worker can work independently and therefore maximize your time and resources. Since the installation of the cladding will be done in record time, Deschen Innovations suggests that you have more than one sawing station. Fasten the cladding. No matter how long the cladding boards, a single worker can complete a perfectly level wall in no time at all. Here is how to install the cladding. Start on one end of the wall, fasten the tongue of the cladding with the hook, one at a time, making sure the groove is adequately lined up as you go. For maximum strength, snap the boards by pressing the top part until the hook completely grips the tongue of the cladding. Once again, secure what is at arm's length, and the rest can be done once the scaffolding is in place. Matching end joints. With the DI system, you can match end joints anywhere between studs or furring strips. Using a leftover 2-hook piece of a fastening bar, slide under one end and tilt it over the tongue of the board. Insert the matching end board and reposition the fastening bar. Obstacles. As soon as the scaffolding is assembled, resume securing the fastening bars to the structure. Install the fastening bars above the obstacles using the line holes. Locate the line holes of the same level at each end and mark using a chalk line. Secure the fastening bar. To maintain the level, make sure you line up the holes with the chalk line. For the boards above the obstacles, notice that the center is not attached to the fastening bar. For that reason, you will need to first anchor the extremities and then the center. In such situation, you must add a nail to the board where it's not held by the fastening bar. Extend a fastening bar or add a second level. To make a fastening bar longer or add a second level, the best way to go is very simple. Use the line holes. Lean a new fastening bar on the previous one and attach it to the wall. Or, for smaller sections, use leftover pieces and replicate a factory cut. When the furring strips or studs of the second level are not aligned, anchor a fastening bar directly onto the previous board, making sure it doesn't show any tongue defect, nail it to the structure, and off you go again. You can now finish installing all the cladding with simplicity and speed without compromising on durability. Finally, add the trimmings and accessories as indicated by the manufacturer. In conclusion, it is important to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for the warranty to be valid and the DI system to be adequately installed. Failure to follow instructions will void the warranty. Refer to the manufacturer for touch paint, weather stripping, and any other requirements. Deschen Innovations and the DI system is not responsible for meeting the minimal air cavity requirements prescribed by the building code in effect. It is the installer's responsibility to know and apply the requirements as indicated by the city, province,